Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to choose what apps are allowed to access your microphone on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings, best results, come back with settings, go ahead and open that up. And then you want to go down and select the privacy tile. And now on the left side underneath app permissions, select microphone. And on the right side, make sure microphone access is turned on. And if it is not, select change and make sure it's enabled, as well as app access to your microphone. Make sure both of those settings are turned on. And then if you scroll down, you can adjust the Microsoft Store apps that have access to your microphone, as well as desktop apps as well. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.